Hey up and good morning and welcome to this video. And gritstone rocks, trees that are shaped like this. There's only one place and it's Padley Gorge, or as I call it, Padley Gorgeous. So we're here today to capture some early autumn images, and just looking around, it's quite a mixed bag. Some of the trees have gone autumn, some are still green, so let's see what we can get today. We're going to start in this area where the gnarly woods are, okay, then we're going to go across to more traditional woodland where we've got millstones, and then we're going to go down to the waterfalls and get some shots of those. So it's quite a mixed bag today. I do want to get some autumn colour. It's misty and foggy at the moment above the canopy, so there's not much light, and so let's go and make a start in Padley Gorgeous. So we have this half moon millstone covered in bright green moss, and then surrounding the millstone we've got some autumnal leaves, which is giving us a nice contrast in the oranges and the greens. So half moon millstone. We're standing on the path that leads you into the gnarly woods, and the sun has started to break through and light up the tree canopies, and there's a bit of a leading line there with that dead tree trunk. Okay, we've moved a bit further down now, and there's a group of green mossy rocks, and they will form the base of this composition. We then have three trees that will be in silhouette on the left of the image, and sitting on the upper right is a tree branch with some very nice autumn leaves on. Well, here we are at the classic location that's been taken a million times, and I'm just going to take it a few more wide angle on this time. And I always, when I come back here, I try and get different angles to capture this scene. So we've got some nice leaves sitting on the millstone today, and I've not put them there, by the way. They've naturally blown from the trees above. Okay, I've come to what is my favourite waterfall. I'm not sure if you can hear me, but what I like about this waterfall is this little autumnal tree that's growing out of the rocks, and it's got some beautiful colours on it today, and we'll take one or two shots here. Very nice. We're walking down the rocky path now that eventually leads to the railway station, and I've found another composition, and we've got some giant mossy rocks on the right hand side of the image, and we've got this tree trunk that's sort of bending in from the top, and the path, the rocky path, is acting as a leading line, and also there's a bit of autumn colour in the top left of the image on the tree branches. Damn. Why didn't I bring my macro lens with me? Because this little specimen here would have been worth a macro shot. We're just going to have to get close in with a 24-70. Padley Gorge is so diverse, it's full of photographic content, and it's my #1 location to go to in the Peak District and go back again and again. Okay, the morning's over in Padley Gorge, and what a fantastic place. It's not quite autumn ready yet. It's on its way, probably a couple of more weeks. I reckon we'll leave it 3 weeks and we'll come back and do another shoot here. But for now, thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel. It's free and we all like things free. Share the video, give it a like, or pop a comment in the bottom. And I'll see you later on the next one.